Today, I've got not one, but two fantastic home-based side hustles that can turn your creative talents and organizational skills into cold, hard cash. First up, you ever thought about crafting heartfelt custom poems or catchy tunes for special occasions? Well, stay tuned because I'll show you how to monetize your way with words or musical talent. And for those with a knack for tidying up digital spaces, I've got just the gig for you. From decluttering emails to organizing digital files, I'll guide you through the lucrative world of digital decluttering. So grab your pens and keyboards because we're about to dive into two side hustles that can turn your home into a bustling hub of creativity and productivity. Hi, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Now, if you have a way with words, then you can make big money making personalized poems or songs for people. Your words can inspire and propel major life events such as weddings, anniversaries, and birthdays. If you can name it, you can get paid for it. It's not just about creating art. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime, especially since there are couples looking for that heartfelt tribute to their love story. Families wanting to celebrate milestones with a custom anthem, or individuals wanting to express their deepest emotions in a truly unforgettable way. By offering your services, you're helping people capture the essence of their most cherished moments. There are people making $300 per poem, and you can too. Just like Bill Keys, the poem guy, who's been in the poetry writing business for over 20 years and has written for Tony Award-winning actor Neil Patrick Harris, the New York Daily newspaper, as well as many others. Okay, this is ChatGPT 3.5, so you can use that for your poems, your songs. They do it all. So custom rhyming poem, right? So you're going to write about something that person might have told you about their client. You know, the client. It's a woman. She enjoys the color pink. You can put that in. And she loves eating chocolate. So maybe that's what the poem is going to be about. It's going to be all custom for your client. And you can put that in a beautiful card. Give them a box of chocolate with pink flowers. You know, that's what they might do with that. But you want 2 stanzas, you say how long you want it to be. Boom, ChatGPT did it. And remember, this is the free version, 3.5. I'm going to read it. Look at this. In a world of hues, she found her delight. A woman in pink, a vision so bright. With ribbons and bows, she adorns her days. In blossoms of blush, her spirit sways. Her love for chocolate, oh, it knows no bounds. In velvety sweetness, her joy resounds. From truffles to bars, each bite a sweet embrace. In cocoa dreams, she finds her happy place. Yeah. So, if you got a way with words or a melody in your heart, why not turn your passion into a purposeful side hustle? It's your chance to spread joy, evoke emotions, and leave a lasting impact, one verse or chorus at a time. Now, have you ever felt like your digital life is a bit like a cluttered closet? You know, emails overflowing, files scattered everywhere, and online accounts in disarray. Well, here's a thought. What if you could turn that chaos into cash? Meet the digital decluttering hustle. If you're a whiz at sorting, organizing, and tidying up, this could be your ticket to some serious side income. Think about it. Busy professionals, overwhelmed entrepreneurs, and even tech-challenged individuals are all out there in need of someone like you. Someone like you to bring order to that digital chaos. By offering your services to help them streamline their digital lives, you're not just tidying up, you're also making some extra dough while you're at it. Just like the folks at Tidy House, who charged $125 an hour for their service. So if you got an eye for a detail and a knack for a digital organization, why not turn your talent into a tidy little side hustle? It's a win-win. You help others declutter their digital mess, and you pocket some extra cash in the process. Sounds like you're about to clean up. You get it? Clean up? Okay. And there you have it, folks. 2 amazing home-based side hustles that could turn your passion into profit. Whether you're crafting a custom poem or a song that tugs at heartstrings, or decluttering digital space to bring order to chaos. Remember, your talents are valuable, and there's a market out there waiting for what you have to offer. So roll up those sleeves, unleash your creativity, and start hustling from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try either of these side hustles. Come on, let me know. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.